focus. Hello guys, welcome back. This is the question number 6 from exercise 11.2. This is an example for that. Let triangle ABC be a right angle triangle in which AB is 3 cm, BC is 4, angle B is 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Through BCD we have to draw one circle. Construct the tangent from A to this circle. So these are the steps of construction. First we will construct triangle ABC. Now first draw BC in the middle of the page, 4 centimeter. Draw perpendicular bisector of BC taking more than half. Draw a dotted line. Now the angle at B, cut 3 centimeter. This is point A. Join AC. First you complete triangle and then draw perpendicular bisector. And now name this point as O. Taking O as the center, and OB as the radius, draw one circle. So obviously, and take this point as D. Now you know that BC must be diameter. So if you draw segment BD, BD will be perpendicular. Think that why it is. Think in your mind that why it is perpendicular. It will be automatically perpendicular. It is given here. BD is perpendicular from B on AC. So BD will be perpendicular. Why? Because you know that a diameter subtends a right angle at any point on the center. This property as already we have discussed in the beginning. So BD will be perpendicular to DC or AC. Now draw segment AO. Or OA. Let it intersect BD at M. Now we have to draw tangents from A. Already one tangent, AB is a right angle. This is 90 degrees. So AB must be a tangent. So we have to draw one more tangent from A to this circle. So for that purpose, A is the point in external and we have to draw one circle passing through A and O. So now you know that this MA will be radius, MB will be also radius, is a property of perpendicular. Now take BM as a radius, and also you can take BA. So a circle will pass through BA. and this will be your point, and take this point as P and draw AP. So AP will be tangent and AB will be also tangent. So two tangents we have drawn. One is AP and one is AB. So this is the construction number 6. You can repeat like this and upload it. Thank you very much.